Start your day with a classic, avocado toast with a twist. Mash avocado on whole grain toast, top with cherry tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt, and a dash of lime juice. For a quick and nutritious breakfast, try overnight oats with fresh fruits. Combine oats, almond milk, honey, and chia seeds in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey in the morning. Looking for a refreshing and filling option? Try the green smoothie bowl. Blend spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. Pour into a bowl and garnish with sliced fruits, nuts, and seeds. If you're on the go, egg muffins with vegetables are perfect. Whisk eggs, diced bell peppers, spinach, and cheese. Pour into muffin tins and bake until set. They're a convenient and delicious breakfast option. For a delightful and satisfying treat, indulge in a yogurt parfait with granola and berries. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and fresh berries in a glass. Repeat the layers and finish with a sprinkle of chia seeds. These breakfast ideas are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your day. So start your morning right with these tasty and healthy options.